February is the time of year that you try to find a stud for Valentine's Day. Although Agape cannot help you find a stud or a hot date, we can help you find a wall stud. So they make stud finders, something like this. Usually has a button on it. You push it up against the wall, just slide it down to find the edge of the stud, and that's where we can hang pictures. Anything supportive that needs to be supported, you use a screw to go into the stud. Studs are usually ran on 16 inches on center, so if you find one, you just mark that spot. You can measure over 16 inches and it should be the other one. Again, follow it over, find another stud, which is probably 16 inches over. Most of the time they're laid out on 16 inches from left to right. If you come off of an end wall or something, you can measure 16 inches, be close, and then use a stud finder. If you don't have a stud finder, you can just knock on the wall. When you hear a solid sound, that's typically where a wall stud will be. And that's how you find a stud. Thanks for checking us out.